If you have a Windows 10 computer, then having one of these USBs is an absolute essential. So you'll want to do this before your computer starts to act up, because once your computer is already on the fritz, trying to do this is a complete nightmare. Doing this won't require any previous technical knowledge, so don't be intimidated. All the steps will be provided in this guide. So from there, let's begin. So if you don't already, just go online and grab an 8GB USB stick. You can get these super cheap, but if you do plan to get one, I'd always recommend getting more than 8GB, just to future-proof yourself with that a little bit more. So just make sure there's nothing on the USB stick that you need, because going through this process will require the USB stick to be formatted and wiped, so just make sure there's nothing on there first before going ahead with this. You'll need to head over to the Microsoft website. I'll put a link in the description for this, and click Download Tool now. Now once your download is finished, find the location where your download went to, and just double click the file to run it. Once you've done this, just wait for Windows to get things ready. You won't need to do anything else, but this can take up to 5 minutes on some machines. From there, accept the Microsoft terms, and the next screen should pop up shortly, but just give it a few minutes to get there. I hope this guide has been clear so far. There's only a few more steps now before your Windows 10 USB will be finished and ready to use. Now from here, make sure to select the second option, Create Installation Media, as otherwise your computer will attempt to upgrade your operating system, which we don't want to do today. I'd recommend just to use the default options here. Select the USB flash drive option. If you don't have one at this moment, then you can optionally download the ISO file and create one at another time. Just confirm that the chosen USB you want to use is showing here, and if so, click Next. Now unfortunately, this will be the longest wait, but this will be the last time before your Windows USB is ready to go. Finally, you'll see this screen once the process has been completed, and now you're all ready to go and put your USB to use. I hope this has helped, and I'd really appreciate a like on the video if it has. If you've got any questions, just drop a comment below and I'll do my very best to answer them for you. And if you subscribe, I'll be constantly releasing Windows guides and how-tos, and when Windows 12 comes out, I'll be hopping straight onto that, getting the guides out for you guys. So that's all for today. Take care and goodbye.